Right, and it's important, therefore, now to get directly in touch with the expectations of the top voices from the industry. Thank you so much, Rahul Srivastav and Rajiv Dubey as well, because I'm now joined by the president of the PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Dr. D.K. Agarwal, is joining us here live on India Today. Dr. Agarwal, thank you so much. So, first question, how did you view that huge announcement, without details though, by the Prime Minister yesterday, 20 lakh crore package? What would be the PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry expect today, sir?
In fact, we would like to congratulate Prime Minister for coming out with such a massive package. We as PhD Chamber of Commerce were expecting a 16 lakh crore package after this RBI announcement. So I think it is exactly matching our expectations. And the best part is that Prime Minister has talked about achieving the self-reliance, and he has also talked about making the supply chain very strong and be vocal about buying local and also make it global. So I think that automatically calls for, because a lot of companies which are looking to shift their manufacturing base from China, I think there would be huge round of reforms in India, maybe labor reforms, judiciary reforms, land reforms, so that we can strengthen our supply chain. We can make locally, we can be the factory of the world. I think the message which was sent by the Prime Minister is very loud and clear, that this 21st century belongs to us, and we are very happy the kind of package which has been announced. This will boost the confidence of the industry, and we are very sure that with this kind of package, our industry will come forward. They will show full solidarity with the country, and we will stand now with this huge amount of package.
Also, Dr. Agarwal, when the slogan or a mantra that was given by the Prime Minister yesterday, vocal for local, buy local, publicize local, this is also about in consideration with the Make in India campaign. Do you think that reflected well with the industries, with the Chamber of Commerce as well?
Oh yes, in fact, the very fact that during these COVID-19 times, the one factor which has played out is our local demand. You know, we have been supplying local, we have been buying local. So this was the domestic consumption which has really helped us out. And the fact that even going forward, we would like to focus on our manufacturing, and we would like to become the manufacturing hub of the world. And the best part is that a lot of companies who want to shift from China, they would find that India is a large market in itself. So for them, this would be an added attraction to shift into India, to shift their manufacturing base into India. So this particularly this motto, be vocal about local, I think this was very well conveyed by the Prime Minister. So what I really believe that this message also tells us that to various states that now is a time for reform, be it labor reform like UP, MP and Gujarat. They've already done it, and for other states also to follow this.
All right, so clearly a lot of expectations that are also coming in. I request Dr. Agarwal to please stay on with me. He's the President, PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industries. We want to bring in as many voices as possible. I'm now joined on this